Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ke Sangma haka arpu iterek unaiwing arja rapsan ulahirhi daladi ban lejingo ya Madan yeleka ke Madan ha Umsning patarim bat haganigasi ula Kularu ba unsamang pisa na kabenta ban Shna Pynbha ya Madan ke baha bapo ka jingkmi jong ka Umsning Sports and Cultural Club. Haganigasi lasa kilang da Menteri ka Sorkar Jela uba sostina sotun ki MLA ka NPP ki bakantup yu Dr. Celestine Lingdo uba daman ba lamari uba Charles Marngar ka MDC jong ka nongpo ka kongrona khemdet ki ofisa Sorkar ki nongilam kathan Umsning bat ki Paidbah nong sangsunang.
Hakhmat MLA buat ni Pak Kipdor, Honorable Chief Minister.
Let us speak the truth. The dream of Umsning Sport and Cultural Club began with a great sacrifice. We are standing here on a 12 acres of land that was gifted to us in the year 2001 by Mane Langlendo and his family. This land was supposed to be a safe place, a center for fitness, culture and life. But instead, for 24 years, it has stood as a monument to our pain. This gift has become a burden, constantly reminding us of what we do not have. Respected elders, you have seen a whole generation grow without a proper facilities. Sir, the cause of this delay is not only money, it is a loss to the generation. Our young people are talented, but without proper field, their energy is wasted. The dream slowly will turn into frustration. This playground is meant to protect our youth from negative influences, and we are fighting for the safety, not only for the sports.
Sir, I want to stress here, in front of all the villages, this ground is not only for one village, it is for total of 6 villages here, including the surrounding villages. This is the main hub for football ground. Our youngsters here, sir, I would like to tell you, they don't want to play for fitness only. There are many futsal ground around Umsning. But they say we want to play in a standard ground, and here also they want a natural grass ground. They want to play the real football, they want to play the real game to win. But sadly, as mentioned by the President, all these years have passed. 24 years since the land was donated by Mane Lang. We are grateful to him and the family. But after it was gifted, it is only our bounden duty to do something with the land. Immediately, fencing is the most important. If you look from there, sir, purposely I didn't allow them to create anything to obstruct. Those bamboo structures are the VIP galleries that we have so far. Every game that we have, those temporary structures, they always come up and they give no relief to the people. We need a VIP gallery along with the facilities for toilets, gents and ladies. We need changing rooms. There's a long list to demand, sir, but you know what we need. I don't need to tell everything, but I'm very confident, sir, that you will do something after your visit here in Umsning.
Sorkar kale kikam kibarat ba hado kata-kata na kabenta kejela kejungi. Henry haki social media habang ipej kadang kakam lagi pai haka development lagi pai haki nuki kam ki bagasor ka kale ki babun ki dai tang ki jingin tho kenno idon kam yalade bangindon ya ki jing sngongu Kumu minister ngayang tili lang bathi nagabenta kumulong ina support lang bani kersan lang nagabenta ka roy ka pa nam ta ka jingdon kam ka jungpi khamtam nagabenta ka ni Madan but ikerman ru ba haba honorable chief minister one ikerman ba lingba ka jing tray lang by local MLA jungpi ngin sei ya kita ki kamporoi ke bopon hapo jong gini ka Shnong jong pi ringkat kijing tumu ki bapa ki pi dan kum ka sports and culture club na kabenta ban kintiyo wiki kun sama.
Whenever I pass through this area on the Umsning bypass, I always look when I'm coming from Shillong to my left and when coming from Guwahati to my right. And of course I see some kind of a match going on here almost every time I cross. So I'm very aware about the activities that are held out here, the interest that all of you take in sports, and the commitment that you have shown towards providing the opportunity, especially to the youngsters of Umsning and adjoining areas. Just so that I can set the record straight about the past. There was a proposal that was sent to Government of India, where Government of India had asked us to identify different locations where Khelo India stadiums and infrastructures can be set up. And based on that, a long list was sent to Government of India. And at that point in time, communication came to us that the proposals in principle have been accepted. But when the final list came to us, the ministry sanctioned only 5 out of the list of 20 or 25 which we had sent. And when we asked why, the reply at that point was the budget is not enough. And hence, only in the second phase, the rest may be taken up. And it just so happened that Umsning area was in the list of 2025, but it was not in the top 5. So it's a grey area. I'm not here to clarify, nor am I here to blame anyone. But I think it is important that all of you should know what the facts were. And efforts were made at every level to push this project through. But unfortunately, as I said, we got mixed communication from Delhi. And in the beginning, we all thought that all the projects have been accepted in principle. Having said that, that unfortunate phase is behind us. This field and the development of this area has been a commitment that has been made by the government, the MDA government. For whatever reasons, it could not happen in the past. As your Chief Minister and continuing now in my second term, this is the opportunity to fulfill those necessary promises and demands that were made regarding this particular area in the field. So I will sit with the sports department. You must be aware that we are stressing a lot on sports in the last 4-5 years. And just to share with you, projects touching almost about 1,500 crores are being implemented. I think almost 2,000 crores, I can't remember right now, are being implemented in the state as we speak. Large number of projects. And there are many in the pipeline which we are going to implement. So therefore, whatever the estimates are required out here, if the estimates are too big in terms of the overall infrastructure, my suggestion to Dr. Baum and to the Sports and Cultural Club is that we take things on a phase-wise manner, take up the top priorities. As Dr. Baum has mentioned, the fencing and the VIP galleries may be the most important that you had mentioned, and some work on the field. So let us start with these three. I will work with your MLA, and we will try to make this possibility at the earliest. Since I've been called specifically for this project, I know the importance, and it would be a great sight to see this place developed. It's a beautiful location, accessible to everybody, and hence it makes complete sense to build up a good infrastructure out here. So let me assure you that I will work on this myself and take this up with Dr. Baum. As I said, may not be everything in one go, but we'll start in a phase-wise manner. And immediately when I go back to Shillong, we will discuss. I've already activated my sports department and told them that we should, immediately prepare the estimates. So I hope that the work will start very soon. So I will be in touch with Dr. Baum, and we'll try to take this forward at the earliest.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa ba finshet da kajo shi kajo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, Pynbha pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpnyang syaka biodiesel. Tinamar kata lemba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan umktasyo.